Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Luis Espinoza, together with my group mates Jose J. Eclarenal and Markel Mundus. And now I'm going to present our final project of our webpage application. Let's start with our main pie. Here we put the different imports like import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP, import seaborn as SNS, and so on. And here we will see the data where the file is located after. We will see the stats.csv wherein it is our file consists of data sets here as you can see. And then and here is the x and y variable we use the x variable for the input our web page application and y for the output. And later on, I will show you the input and output of our web page application. And for the next line is it is the we can see the code here. It is the alignment of the text inside our web page application, and it is used to be able to look organized inside our web page application. Next is the as we can see we declare here the CL, which is our classifier, and CL as a variable of our classifier, and also here we use the CL in order to show the output of our web page application. Next is we use the region.jbl as a variable for our JBL library for the output of the program. And next is for the data.py, we declare here that the data we use also here is the data that we use or the data sets. We name here stats.csv, and then these are the inputs that we use: poverty incidence and so on. And then for the y variable, it is our output, which is the region. And as we can see, this is the framework that we use is logistic regression. And next is for the streamlit.py. For our streamlit.py, we use the st header in order for us to show the header, which is the poverty in the region that we will see later on after I show you the web page application. And these are the inputs that we use. We use the st.number input to show the input that we use. Also here the format to be able to minimize the decimals inside our inputs. And here, as we can see, the st button that we use for the button for the submit, and also the text that we use in order for us to show the output of the web page application that we use. And next, we will show you our web page application, and we use the Anaconda PowerShell, as we can see here. We use the Anaconda PowerShell to show the web page in browser, and also downloads. then cd like use. And also we use the Streamlit because it is easy to utilize and easy to use. Streamlit.even. And for our web page application walkthrough is, as you can see, here is the header of our web page, the poverty intelligence, and we can see here the four inputs that we use: the poverty incidence 2015, coefficient of variation 2015, 90% coefficient interval lower limit, 90% coefficient, confidence interval upper limit, and as we can see, here is the submit button that we tackle with. And in order for us to show the output of our web page application, we are going to put some inputs here. For example, is 16.5, 17.1, and then 6, 20, and then we are going to enter the submit button. And as we can see here, the output of our web page application is the region, and then this is the output of the inputs that we used. And that's all for the walkthrough of our web page application. I hope you enjoy watching and listening. Thank you.